Hello and a very warm welcome to this video tutorial on how to set up Online Booking 2.0. My name is Emma and I am here to guide you through some of the features of setting it up and getting you well on your way. Whether you're brand new to online booking or you want to make most of some of its fabulous features, you're in the right place. So let's get stuck in. To begin setting up online booking, head to the main menu located in the top left-hand corner of your page and click on Integrations and Add-ons. From here, find Online Booking and click on Configure. From here, you will find basic settings used to set up your online booking page. You will also find your unique online booking URL that can be put under a call to action button on your website and an iframe code that will allow you to embed your diary into your website page. You will have the ability to change the welcome text shown on your online booking page, as well as some basic settings, including offset for bookings, a limit period for bookings, whether or not you want your customers to verify their identity, and whether or not your prices are shown on your online booking page. Now it's time to determine which users you want to display on your online booking page. Click on your main menu located in the top left-hand corner of your page, click on Settings and then Users. Using the three dots at the end of the row, click on Edit Profile where you will see your online booking user settings. From here, you can say whether or not they are available for online booking, whether you would like to notify them of online bookings, their display name, their display title, a display description, and a pretty profile picture as well. Not all your appointment types need to be displayed on your online booking page, but to determine which ones are, click on the main menu in the top left-hand corner of your page, click on Settings, and then Scheduling. This will take you straight into the Appointment Types tab. To determine whether or not the appointment type is displayed on online booking, click on Edit at the end of the row and scroll down. Here you will be able to turn on or off whether the appointment type is displayed in your online booking page. You can change the display name that will be shown in online booking, give it a display description, and also change the profile picture. If you integrate with Stripe, you will also be able to turn on whether or not payment is required when booking. We strongly encourage you to do this because not only does it save you time and admin, but it also makes payments easier for your clients and will also reduce your DNA rate. If you work for multiple locations, you can also determine which locations are offered via online booking. Simply click on your main menu in the top left-hand corner of your page, click on Settings and head to Organisation. From here, you will find any multiple locations that you have enabled. Click on Edit at the end of the row, where you will find the toggle switch to turn on whether or not that location is available for online booking. Now that setup is complete, let's take a peek at what your clients will see when they visit your online booking page. As you can see, your practice logo will be pulled through from under your settings in WriteUpp, and your predefined welcome text will be shown here. All your client needs to do is select what type of appointment they would like to book, where they would like to see you, who they would like to see, and when they would like to be seen. From here, your client will be asked for a number of basic details to complete the booking, including email address, mobile number, date of birth, any additional info that you have asked for or would like, and a discount code if they have been given one. On the next page, card information, should you have set this up, will be asked for. As part of this process, they will be asked for their address. They simply need to pop their card details in, their appointment summary will be displayed here, and click on Confirm. Once the appointment has been confirmed, they will see an appointment summary and they will have the ability to add this to their calendar. I really hope you find that useful. If you do have any questions with regards to setting up online booking 2.0, please do drop the support team a message via live chat using the button located in the bottom right-hand corner of your page. They will also give you a link if you wish to book a one-to-one online booking demo with me. Have a great day. Bye.